Hi, my name is Morgan Westcott, and I'm the Associate Dean of the Marketing Management Programs here at the BCIT School of Business and Media. What is the BCIT Marketing Management Diploma program? It's a 2-year program that provides students with everything they need to know to work in a fulfilling career in sales or marketing in a number of BC's top industries. The way that our program is structured is in 2 very distinct years. In first year, our students take a foundational business year that's taught by industry experts in areas like sales, marketing, and all of the business foundations and fundamentals. Then towards the end of first year, our students pick from one of 5 really specialized industry options to help further their career. Our 5 options are digital marketing and brand strategy, tourism sales and marketing, professional sales, professional real estate, and entrepreneurship. Each of our 5 options leads directly to meaningful careers in really specific industries, which is one of the things that sets our marketing diploma apart. So for example, in professional sales, we have a really strong applied component where our students actually learn how to negotiate, how to develop strategies, and how to work with clients. And we actually have more employers recruiting graduates than we have graduates in this option. For our tourism sales and marketing program, it's BC's only marketing and sales focused tourism program. So we have students go on to work for organizations like Destination Vancouver, Destination BC, Destination Canada, traveling around the world, managing leading resorts and hotels. For professional real estate, our students learn from real estate professionals that are licensed practitioners in the field, and it's everything from commercial real estate to residential real estate as well. There are many options for our real estate graduates, and everyone gets to challenge the licensing exams at UBC so that they can go and practice in the field pretty much right after graduation. For entrepreneurship, our students are getting the hands-on information that they need from people who actually run their own businesses. So rather than learning textbook examples, you're hearing the stories from people that are working with Amazon, running their own FBAs, and bringing products into the country and making money for themselves as entrepreneurs. Digital marketing and brand strategy is our largest option, and about half of our graduates go to work on the agency side and the other half go to work in marketing departments, again at some of BC's biggest marketing organizations. Marketing is a vastly and quickly changing industry, and so we consulted with industry experts, employers, people that hire our grads right out of the program, and they provided us with great feedback that we were able to implement into the program, and so now it's as fresh and as current as it's ever been. We actually help our students find placements in industry prior to graduation, so they're increasing their network and they're ready to work from the day they graduate.